So in this video, you'll learn how to enable location tags in photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, location tags is simply having the location automatically added whenever you take an image on using your phone. So in order for you to do so, you're going to start by opening the camera app. Then from here, you're going to open up the menu and you're going to select settings. In your camera settings menu, you want to scroll until you find location tags and just tap on the toggle like so to turn it on. You'll be asked to choose what location you want added, whether it's precise or approximate. And once you've done that, simply confirm. From here, now you'll notice whenever you decide to take a photo, like so, you'll notice whenever you open the image and you try to view the image details, you should see the location has been automatically added. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.